It's Faye here from Unravel and Unwind, and it is November the 12th, 2020, and my Papergang box for November has just arrived. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing for you. I've already opened it to make it easier. I like the design on the front this time. It's got deer and foxes, and it's all winter themed, and it's really pretty, and I like all the blues. So let's have a look. So the first thing we notice is the tissue paper. So let's get that open and see what's inside. I'm trying to be really careful not to tear the paper so that I can reuse the paper. There we go. Really nice. Everything is really coordinated well. It looks pretty. So we've got 6 Christmas cards and envelopes. As you can see, they're about the same size as my palm. We've got some gold embossed on it, and merry and bright with a couple of foxes. Let's take one out and have a look. They are really sweet. Blank, so we can write our own message in them. Obviously with the Oh Dear branding on the back. Really nice gold embossed lettering, and a little envelope, not embossed, and it is gum sealed. Oh, we've got different ones at the back. Okay, let's have a look. So we've got 2 with the foxes on. We've got a deer, happy holidays. That's really nice. I like that. Again, lots of gold embossing and blank. We've got 2 of those, and we've got 2 seasons greetings with a lovely hawk on it. Really nice. Very nice indeed. So six cards and envelopes. Hey, the pin badge. Really nice pin badge. It's the fox. We've got some white enamel in it and a little bit of black, it looks like. My lighting in here isn't very good, so I'm struggling to see that. Nice pin badge with a rubber back. And the artwork this time is from Papio Press. So Papio Press designed all of the artwork for this month's box. We've got our month card again, so that we can write whatever date we want on it. So these are quite handy. I'm actually saving them. Not quite sure what I'll do with them yet. We've got a shopping list pad with coordinating artwork. It's the same all the way through this time. So a nice big shopping list. We've got the little booklet, so it gives us a bit of information about Papergang and about the artists who are in this month's box. So they are Zanna and Harry from Papio Press. So I'll go and find those on Instagram later. A little interview with them as well. Some more of the artwork. And their adverts in the back for their other subscription boxes. Look at this. This is beautiful. Let's turn around. So this is a hardback notebook this time with a winter theme and Christmas theme, gold embossed on the front and on the back, and oh dear on the side. Let's open it up. Very nice. Quite heavy duty paper. We'll have a look and see how it handles fountain pen ink in a minute. And we've got a coloured ribbon as well. No artwork on the pages. It is just on the front and the back. So that's really nice. Let's lift the tissue paper out of the way, and you can see a sheet, a nice sheet, big sheet of wrapping paper, still in the same winter theme, so it all matches in together. So it's really nice. Lovely little box this month, and a complimentary advert, 30% off for pasta evangelists if you like pastas. It's a lovely little kit this month. Let's have a look and see how well this notebook handles fountain pen ink. Put that to one side. I've got my fountain pen here. I'll write on this first page. Well, the pen writes nicely on it. I'm using diamine ink. Let's turn it over. There's little to no bleed through, and yeah, I think it works okay. So a lovely little kit this month. I'm really pleased with this month's Papergang. I will be using quite a bit of it this month, I think. Certainly the Christmas cards and the wrapping paper. I shall be gifting the shopping list to my partner and see whether or not he uses it for when he goes shopping, assuming he remembers to take the list with him. And I look forward to the next box. So for those of you who do subscribe to Papergang already, on the bottom of the box where the address label is, there is a 10% off code for ohdear.com. If you like what you see in my Papergang box, I will put the subscription link in the description below for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. If you want to see more, then subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications of when we do further uploads. And we also do early release videos, exclusive content, crochet patterns, tutorials for all our Patreon subscribers. So I'll put the details for that in the description below as well. And I look forward to seeing you again next month for our next Papergang subscription box. Thank you for watching.